Falsies. So it's your girl Koi Karanja, as always. So today I was doing my eye makeup, as you can see, and I just decided that I teach you how to put on these lashes, falsies, lashes, however you want to call them. I don't even teach you, we're both going to learn how to put these things on because I haven't mastered them. Sometimes they're a pain in the ass while placing them, and yes, so let's go through this together. No, I go through it, you just watch. So these are falsies. These are how they look like. I don't know if my camera can focus. If it won't focus, you just have to bear with me. They refused. So this is how they look like actually, and yeah, I've worn them a number of times. Yes, that's why they look all muddy. You can see like here the glue has left some dirt on it. So they say that it's Huda Beauty number 8, but we both know this is not a Huda product. This is a, how are they called, these counterfeits. So yes, okay, I don't think it has a specification of which eyes. I think you can wear any on any eye. So let's get lost together. And this is the glue. I don't know if it will focus. Will you focus? Or will you refuse? Okay, my camera has just refused to focus today. So this is a Huda Beauty waterproof lash glue. Again, this is a knockoff. I don't think this is the legit thing. So yeah, so there are a lot of knockoffs out here. So, but I don't think this is a legit Huda product. They say it's dark black, but it's actually dark bluish. It's not even black, it's bluish. And what you have to do is you just remove one. Okay, you don't pull, you just do this with your hand. Sometimes it's actually see, it's refusing to come out, so you're just going to pull, but it's not advisable for you to pull. Otherwise you might destroy the band. So there, one of it has come off, and this is how it looks like. Sorry, I don't have a tweeze that hold it with. So this is how it looks like. Oh Jesus, hell, don't break. This is how it looks like. As you can see, this is the lash band. So this is where you place the glue. You can see how dirty it is because of the glue that was there, and sadly I can't remove it without tampering with the lash band. So we'll just have to find a way of us putting it on, because if you want to remove the glue, it's this way. It's not separating easily, so you just have to deal with it there. But I'm going to get a new set because this one is proving so hard to wear. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your glue, just open it, make sure you don't pour it on yourself, and okay, you just remove. You see how messy this work is going to be. So you just remove the top layer. You see there's usually some dried glue on top, so you remove that, and there, the new glue is out. So what you do is you take your eyelash, then you place the glue, a thin strip on the lash band. Okay, when they mean a thin, I really don't know if I usually place a thin or a lot, because this super seems a lot. And this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see the glue. The glue is here on the lash band. They say it's dark. It's black, but it's not black. Actually, it's dark blue. But the camera cannot show it's dark blue. I know it's dark blue. So what you do is you just, or you can, if you do that, it pours on you. So don't do that. It has poured on my clothes. No, my clothes looks terrible. Okay, so just let it dry. Not even dry, for it to be sticky. They say sticky for 15 to 30 seconds. So this is how it looks like. So let's place it. We won't wait for that long. Let's place it. Oh my god. Okay, what you do is you start with the end of the eye. Make sure you're not placing it on the lid. You're placing it on top of your eyelashes. Remember that, okay? So when the glue is not sticky, it becomes a little bit of a problem sticking on your lash band. Then you see I've just placed it, I've not pressed it down. So you start here, you place it here, then you come and place it here, and then now the problem the problem comes on you want to press it down and it decides that hey, we don't wanna. You can see already I have formed some dirt on my eye, however. So that's why they say apply an eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner preferably, so that when this glue causes some issues it won't be seen. I see. Now, hey, told you the issue comes when you want to press it down. If you have tweezers, it's good. Tweezers work well. Hands don't. Hands just. Sorry for what happened, for the short disturbance. But now, as you can see, there's a whole lot of glue forming on top of the eyelash. So that's why I say that I'm not a pro in this sector. But every day is a learning day, and so let's see if this one will behave. Okay, so again, you try and peel it in the right way. So then you take the glue, then you apply on the lash band. You apply that way, so it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it, but anyways, it's not black, but it's dark bluish, as I said. So you give it 15 to 30 seconds to dry before applying it on your eyelash. And as I said, you are not applying it on your eyelid, you're placing it on top of your eyelash, then pressing it down. So never place it on your eyelid. I don't know why, but they said so. So we wait for it to dry properly. Wait 15 to 30 seconds, I think, or until it becomes sticky. It's not all runny. You know, if it's runny, you see, if it's runny it will drip. As you can see, it has dripped, so it's not yet sticky. But this is a messy work. You see, like how my nails are dirty, like my hand, like a lot of, see, so it's a messy work. But if you master it, it won't be messy. So until you master it, you'll have this messy work on you. Or if you're using those lashes that do not need you to apply glue on them, well, lucky you. But for now, I'm stuck with this one until I get the new pairs. So as I said again, try, really try. You start with the end of your lash, you place there, then come at the center, then you come at the front. Well, it seems like this is going to misbehave more. Oh my god. And then you know the problem is that my lashes curl upwards, so even it's hard to really, oh Jesus, is it really this, is it really worth this mess? Oh my god, let's try it. If it refuses, we're going to remove this thing. I'm not going to start here getting headaches because of some lash that refused to stick. Okay, let's do this one last time. You better stick now. See, it's coming off with my hand. Make sure that your hands do not have glue on them because it will stick. That's why they're coming off with my fingers. Okay, it's behaving. Okay, so it's behaving, but now the problem is that it's lifting up in front here. It's lifting. So I really don't think they're worth this struggle. No way. So we're going to try and press them onto a lash and see if they will behave. The other front is still lifting. I don't want it to lift. Oh my god. This is messy. Like really messy. Okay, you see, it's almost there. You just have to get this front end sticking and not coming out. Okay. Whew. I think this can survive. So we're going to try and clean, not even clean, we're going to try and hide the glue pad. We're going to try and merge it with the pencil so that it seems like it's a line. Because we can't have it looking like this now. Let's see how terrible it looks like. So we're going to make a line on top of where the glue misbehaved, and we're going to join it to our lash. We're going to join it to our eyeline. I think nobody can know that much. You know, if I'm this far, you can't notice, right? You can't notice. But honestly, I don't think it's worth the trouble. Like, oh my god, I really don't think it's worth the trouble. So let's get these sellotapes off. Whew. I use the sellotapes as something that will, as a line that guides me, and again it's good because it catches the smudges. And here we are. So this is how it looks like. Not bad. but I can do better. I really do hope that this helps you in not making the same troubles that I am making or the same mistakes that I am making. If I get new lashes that are not the same as these ones, I will make a video on them. But for now, we have to survive. We are going to survive with these ones until I get the new lashes. I've been your host, Samantha, or Koikaranja, and I will see you in the next video. Please like, share. Is there a share on YouTube? Like, subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.